In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a USA account in 2025 with a step-by-step guide to make the process as smooth as possible. Whether you're looking to manage your finances more effectively or simply exploring new options, getting a USA account brings you one step closer to enhanced financial security and management. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and type in usaa.com. This is the starting point for accessing their broad range of financial services tailored to meet your needs. Once you're on the main page, simply scroll down. This helps you get familiar with their website's layout and allows you to find the necessary sections without hassle. Continue scrolling until you see an option called See Account Tools and Services. This link is a doorway to discovering all the services USAA provides. Click on it and you'll see a list of the services at your disposal, from insurance options to various types of banking services. Since we're focused on opening a checking account, look for the checking option and click on it. This will lead you to detailed information about what a USA checking account offers, including benefits like no monthly service fees and easy funds transfers. Take a moment to scroll down and familiarize yourself with these offerings, ensuring you understand what you're signing up for. Once you've reviewed the details and are ready to proceed, find the Apply Now button. Click it to commence the application process. Here, you'll be prompted to provide your online ID. This is an important step for those who already have an existing account or any prior engagement with USA. If you're new and haven't created a USAA account yet, don't worry. There's an option here to create a new account. Click on View to explore this section further. After checking out the necessary details, proceed by clicking on Continue to move forward with your application. At this stage, you'll need to fill in your personal information. Start with the basics: your first name, last name, and date of birth. USAA takes security seriously, so having accurate information is crucial for setting up your account correctly. Next, you'll need to provide more detailed information such as your country of citizenship, social security number, email address, and phone number, including the appropriate country code. Accurate entry of this information is essential for the verification process. Once you've entered all the required information, go ahead and click Continue. The site may prompt you to revisit the login page. Here, you will provide your online ID once more. This helps ensure everything is linked correctly, providing you access to your new USAA account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances with a new USAA checking account. Make sure you keep all your login details and personal information secure and enjoy the financial flexibility and peace of mind that comes with your new USAA account. Thanks for watching.